Okay guys, here's a little bit of a video here, and I'll use the map to show you where we are. So it's our one, two, actually hang on a second. Yeah, so January 9th is when they left at about 4:30. And we are now January 11th, about 12:30. Okay, so this is what you'd normally see when you're looking at a guide, right? There's the islands, the Canary Islands. Okay, we're coming from Madeira, which is up here. So I'm going to turn this around so that you know what you're looking at when I go out on deck. So we are coming down through here, Tenerife. Okay, we're going to see Gomera, and La Palma is way off in the distance. I don't think we can see it today on this mostly overcast day. Okay, so we're coming up to the north side of Tenerife. So let me go out onto the cockpit and show you guys where we're at. Okay, so Madeira's way back there somewhere. And here is the absolutely spectacular island of Tenerife on this side. And again, as you guys already know, it gets windy with this camera. There's Tenerife, right? The northwest extremity, I guess, of Tenerife. Gomera over here. Okay, and La Palma. No, I can't see it. It's too overcast. But anyway, it's out there somewhere. All right, and it's been a fairly straightforward sail. Nothing complicated about it. We had a tiny little bit of mist. I wouldn't even call it rain. It disappeared just about as quickly as it showed up. Okay, there you have it, guys. We're here at the Canaries. What's the ETA to the anchorage? Is it still roughly the same, guys?
Yep. Yeah, 5 o'clock.
5 or so. Okay. All right, guys.